Hello, this is my CS50X project called metallo-beta-lactamase database, or MBLDB. My name is Peter, and I live in Rancho Cucamonga, California. When you start running this page, you end up on the login page. But if you're not a user yet, you need to create a login and a password first using the register button up here. So once you're registered, you will get redirected to the login page. Now you can log in and you see a database of different proteins that have already been entered into this MBLDB. Now this particular user has no entries if you click this button up here, because he or she is a new user. But they can change that. They can look up protein ID using the check protein ID function. This will then, if it's a valid ID, we'll say this seems to be a valid protein ID. Next, the protein can be deposited into the data bank using the deposit protein button. Okay, now it's deposited. And if we go back to the user entries, we see now this one protein entry. And next we can analyze the protein to find out if it's a metallo-beta-lactamase or not. So using this drop-down menu, selecting the one protein, and then we get different messages. For example, we don't have an HXHXD motif. We have fewer than 4 histidines, so this is likely not a metallo-beta-lactamase. And this will then be updated in the database. Here, initially we had unknown here, now it says no, so this is not a metallo-beta-lactamase. Okay, let's try another protein. Again, check the protein ID. And then deposit the protein. Okay, has been submitted to the database. Now we have 2 entries. Again, the new one says unknown because we don't know yet what it is. Next, we can analyze this protein. Okay, now it says it does have this motif and it does have at least 4 histidines, so likely it's a metallo-beta-lactamase, and it will be updated in the database. And this is just to show all the entries, including entries by other users submitted earlier. And once we're done, we can just log out using the logout button. And my name is Peter. This was MBLDB. Thank you.